You will have moments in life where you will have to choose yourself because you know deep inside your heart this is the right thing to do. I know this is a video about Dermaroller and alcohol, but I actually was feeling so bad that I was like, how can I make myself feel better? And I know only by serving you guys I can feel better. So, you know, this is just a moment in life where I'm going through something. I got this. All right. I got this. Let's change the state. We got this, right? Yeah, I'm just at a point in life where I have to choose me because I know what I deserve, who I deserve to have in my life. And that shit sometimes is not easy, but I gotta do what I gotta do. Anyway, so, okay, today's video is about alcohol, why you should stop using alcohol. So when you disinfect Dermaroller with alcohol, and if you live somewhere outside the United States and you cannot get this one, disinfect only Dermaroller with alcohol. Don't disinfect your skin. I know I've been telling in the past, disinfect Dermaroller with alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol is literally so bad for your skin. It destroys your skin protective barrier that after that it's like very hard to restore that skin protective lipid barrier, which is actually a shield, like a protect our skin. I have here liquid oxygen that actually works much better than alcohol, and it is so much safer for your skin. You literally can use this on the skin. This is how I disinfect Dermaroller. I just apply the pump on the Dermaroller like that. I'm gonna wait until it's gonna soak in, which is gonna take 5 to 10 minutes, and then I take Dermaroller. I have other videos where I actually show how to use it. This soaks in, and then you literally can Dermaroll your skin. If you want to disinfect your skin, if you can get this one, it's affordable. It is natural foam therapy, which is foam liquid oxygen. It's basically, you know guys, that oxygen is very good. No bacteria, no viruses can live in oxygenated environment. So if you want to disinfect your skin, you can apply. What happened? Did it fall? Okay, so yeah, it's falling. So you basically, if you want to disinfect your skin, you just apply like this. You kind of like evenly distribute the foam, and this disinfects your skin better than alcohol, and is actually much safer. It does not damage your skin protective barrier. Now how to use, I have a special like makeup cloth. I just wipe it off and that's it. Some people will say, oh Jen, it's sticky. It is a little bit sticky. If it's sticky, have filter water and remove with the filter water, not tap water, with filter water, wash it off. Yes, it is a little bit sticky, but you know guys, I rather choose sticky instead of having isopropyl alcohol clean my skin, because that is damaging your skin like crazy. Anything in skincare, even as an ingredient inside your serum, let's say cream, isopropyl alcohol dries out your skin like crazy, and dries out because it removes that lipid protective barrier, which this is natural oil that our skin needs to have to protect. When we remove that lipid barrier, actually our skin becomes like a naked. Imagine like ripping off the skin from your lungs, and your lungs will be exposed to the outside environment, which is really dangerous. The more your skin is exposed and doesn't have this protective barrier, the more is tempt to have viruses and bacteria on the skin, which actually can cause acne and all kind of issues. So you remove with the cloth before using Dermaroller. I'm sorry, I'm just like, I don't know if it's the right time to film today. I'm feeling kind of, I'm looking off, but whatever. I really want to help you. And if this stickiness a little bit bothers you, wash it off with the water, filter water, bottled water, something like that, not tap water, and then go ahead and start using Dermaroller. I just wanted to share with you, this is only certified toxic-free ingredients, only purified water, number 1. Then we have coconut palm derived sodium lauryl, sarcosinate, which is preservative, which is natural coconut derived, sodium chloride, which is stabilized oxygen, number 3, and then vegetable glycerin, number 4, baking soda, number 5. That's it, only 5 ingredients. So everything is so natural. It's so good for the skin. I actually use this on my dog when she has allergies. I use on the like mosquito bites. I had the other night really bad mosquito bite. I had it over here. Maybe it's even a scar left, I don't know, but anyway, so when I have a mosquito bites or any cuts, rashes, something going on with the skin, this literally will actually help. May gonna heal the wounds and stuff like this, but you just decide. I wash vegetables, fruits with that. I do everything with this. This is really incredible product to actually disinfect Dermarollers your skin, disinfect anything. It helps gonna get rid of bacteria, viruses, fungi, and everything, stuff like this. This is better than alcohol. Get this. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please click that red button, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.